Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I will be painting my cute baby girl's portrait in oils. Every portrait starts with the simple shapes. First, I draw the general shape of the head and mark the rough proportions. Then I mark the shadow areas. These steps help me understand the light and depth of the face. Now I block two simple values, one for the light side and one for the dark side. At this stage, I don't focus too much on the details. After that, I have given some rough marking for the features like hairs, eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, chin, like that. Also, I am adding some of the highlights so I can define the area more clearly. And I have added background to set the overall mood for the portrait. Slowly, I began to refine the darker and lighter side of the face by adding the lighter and darker shades. Little by little, the portraits look more realistic. For the baby portrait, smooth transition are very important. Skin should look soft and natural, so I avoid strong contrast and hard edges. Then I start adding the highlight. The highlight bring the softness and life to the skin. Blending is one of the most important part in oil painting. I keep blending time to time to make the skin look smooth and realistic. Now I began to refining the each feature, the eyes, nose, lips, especially the cheeks. Soft cheeks are the one of the cutest part of the baby portrait. Again and again I adjust the shapes, colors, value until the likeness feel right. Portrait painting needs a lot of patience. Sometimes I have repeat the same steps many times before I feel satisfied with the results. If you enjoy portrait painting videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow my page for more art content. Now I am defining the each features like eyes, nose, lips, chin and cheeks. Again and again, I am adding highlight to get lifelike effect and get a smooth transition. Each time I am blending, blending and blending. That is how you get the likeness. There is no shortcut for that. You have to repeat the same steps again and again until you are satisfied with the results. As you can see, I am just making little adjustment each time, then moving to the other part, then doing adjustment there. I am adjusting now the colors, background, edges, shapes, everything I'm adjusting to get the look like effect. Also, I am blending in between to get the smoother transitions. Now, highlight is the bigger part when you are drawing the portrait painting. Now, next, I painted the neck area, the t-shirt and small accessories. Then I moved to the ear area where I define hair area, where I define shape, and then with the neck part again. Now I have added some small details in the ear, some highlights to give it look lifelike effect. And after I have added some single strand of the hair to make hair look more realistic. Then it's time to add the final highlights. Again, I'm adding a highlight, adding some small definitions, blending the edges, making painting softer. If you watch till this point, thank you so much for your support and let me know in the comments which part of the painting process you enjoyed the most. Now I have added the bindi, just refining the shape of the eyes, cheek, and here it is your final reveal. Hope you like this painting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.